Hi, Anthony.
Hey, Kole.
I got you something, but you have to guess what it is.
Oh, boy. Is it cheese?
No, it's not cheese.
A new pair of socks?
Nope, it's not new socks either.
I'm out of guesses. Would you mind telling me, please?
Okay, I'll tell you. It's a new marble track.
Ah! That looks humongous. How many pieces is this bad boy, Kole?
Believe it or not, it's 625 pieces.
625? I can't even count that high. Should we build it and then send a marble down it?
You read my mind.
It turned out great. Let her rip, Kole.
Okay, here it comes.
I love how it goes back and forth on this part. Here come the loopy turns. Now the big jump. Woohoo! This part of the track is wavy. And we made it to the final tower. Yippee! Loop-de-loop number 1. Success. Loop-de-loop number 2. Easy peasy. And jump to the finish line. Well, that was awesome.
Thanks, dude. I'm glad you like it. Should we do a marble race with these red, green, and blue marbles?
Yep. I think the green marble's gonna win.
I think the blue marble's going to win.
Which marble do you think will win?
Okay, Anthony, count me down.
3, 2, 1, go! Whoops.
Oh.
There they go. Blue pulls ahead, with red not far behind, followed by green. Here comes the big jump. Oh, all 3 made it and blue still is in the lead. Come on, green. Come on, green. Here comes the first loop-de-loop. It looks like blue's gonna win this one. Slow-mo finish. The blue marble wins. Great race, Kole.
That was a great race. 2 thumbs up.
And 2 paws up from me.
Or yeah, 2 paws up because you're a mouse. I hope you had fun today, Anthony.
I sure did. This has been the best day ever.
Thank you all so much for watching this week's episode of Anthony's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the fun episodes that we'll be releasing every single week. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.